Alright guys, so we're out here, track day 2 this time. Got the car out here and new radiator setup, staying a little bit cooler now, or actually a lot cooler. The last time we pulled off track with the hood on and the bumper after like a half lap, and we're up to like 245. Had to go down the street and everything and like try to cool the car down. This time I was on track with the hood on, with the bumper, and the thing stayed at like 150, 160 after, you know, a lap or two. So I did pretty much a terrible job filming. I started filming that clip and then just, I don't know, I kind of got weirded out with everybody around, and then there was so much going on the rest of the day, I kind of just didn't pick my camera up, which sucks. But the second event went so good. I can't believe everything that happened. Got a Tandem second event, took a lot of ride-alongs, had a little bit of a weird issue with the car. The power steering was getting, or the power steering fluid was getting too hot, so the car wouldn't quite self-steer right. If you guys see some of the GoPro clips, I ended up having to use like a little bit more handbrake than I would have liked to, just to keep the car basically from spinning out, because there were certain times that the car wouldn't self-steer fast enough, which it probably doesn't look like it on video, but it was very aggravating. Once it got going, it would go. But anyways, whatever. So second event, absolutely crazy. Huge shout out to all my friends for helping film, and just everybody that helped out. So hope you guys enjoy the little hodgepodge of clips together with not too much like vloggy kind of context clips like this. So yeah, I will see you guys at some other part of the video or something.
need for prep, they just want mentions. I got the check, no need for wallet, don't pay for shit. Check the way a nigga from Compton sell his shit. But it ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Ain't about me, ain't about me. Gotta cook it up, cause my niggas hungry. Throw money in the air, can't drop the ball. If I do black moves on call, ain't about me.
Luckily I have cool friends that film shit for me, but the second event was super solid. We got everything, most of the kinks worked out, a couple small things to do, got the car loaded up. Second event was sick. Hope you guys enjoy all the little random clips from the in-car, all the stuff that Gracie filmed. Huge shout out to her. Brantley got some insane shots. Nate got in-car video. Everybody was filming. It was sick. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.